may be that possibly it benefits areas or maybe other business products that use that information for certain functionalities, but from an HR perspective, I'm not aware of any functionality behind that. But what I'll do is I'll actually put something out there. I'll reach out to development and ask to see if I can't get an answer on the second page to clarify for you. Okay. I'll ask them. Yeah, I'm not aware of anything specific, unless it's been one of those modules,
Hey.
okay, so
Yeah.
really, where we are here, we're actually defining the job or the actual assignment attributes, if you will. And then once you're done filling in the content
Hi,
here,
girl.
you would then go next to the role. And you'll use the role page to assign roles to the employee. An example is you will retain the employee's value because it's an individual
Hey, girly.
employee. But if you're hiring this individual into a manager role or into other particular roles, from a security perspective, you may want to add the additional role. So because this individual is just an employee, we need that the employee role. And once we submit this, then this is where, the information does go out to
Hello.
the update is
How you
on
feeling?
active provision on the security
How
side,
you
and
doing, girl?
the other notifications
How you
that
doing?
go out to the various
How you
payroll
doing?
and other things, the triggers behind the scenes that
How you
we
doing?
actually submit that.
What's going on?
So we have an opportunity to review the content that we
How you doing, girl? You okay, Tia? You okay, T? You alright? You okay, girl? You okay? You okay? TT? You alright, honey? You alright? You okay?